Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles at home. First, gather your favorite ingredients like fresh fruit, juice, or creamy yogurt. Next, select your popsicle molds. Small paper cups work well too. Then, blend or thoroughly mix your chosen ingredients until they are smooth and ready for the molds. This simple preparation ensures a delicious base for your frozen treats. Now, let's get creative with flavors. You can make vibrant fruit purees using strawberries, mangoes, or even a mix of berries. For a little extra sweetness, consider adding a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. If you prefer a creamier texture, blend in some coconut milk or Greek yogurt. The possibilities are endless for delicious combinations. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your molds, leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top for expansion. If using paper cups, insert your popsicle sticks after about 30 minutes once the mixture has started to firm up slightly. Then, place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. When your popsicles are fully frozen, briefly run the molds under warm water for a few seconds to help with easy removal. Gently pull them out, and for longer storage, place each one in a freezer-safe bag or an airtight container. Now you have a delightful, refreshing treat ready to enjoy whenever you need a cool pick-me-up. Happy snacking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.